Hi there, my name's Andrew and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or check out our website at lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. So in my class today, we were reviewing some language in breakout rooms in Zoom, and we ended up talking about how the government had dealt with COVID. And a student was just about to launch into an attack, start to criticize the government about their handling of the COVID crisis. And at that very moment, she suddenly disappeared from the Zoom call. And I said, oh, she's been nobbled. So when we are nobbled, or when someone is nobbled, it means that they are disappeared, or perhaps they are bribed or injured, perhaps even killed, to stop them from doing something, to stop them, for example, speaking out against the government. And usually they're nobbled by some kind of bad organization like the Mafia, or maybe by the government, etc. So I don't know if you've ever seen the film Tonya. It's a great film. I recommend it. It's about a true story from the early 90s, where a skater called Tonya Harding, her boyfriend nobbled one of her rivals before the Olympics because he thought that she was a threat to Tonya's chances of winning the Olympics. Similarly, maybe you've seen films about the Mafia, or about trials where a Mafia boss is being threatened with jail, and the Mafia nobble the jury, or they nobble the judge by bribing them so that the Mafia boss gets off, so that he's found innocent and doesn't get punished. In the class, ironically, we were talking about conspiracy theories, where obviously quite often people get nobbled. And one student told me about the story, the suspicions around the death of the famous Russian cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin. He died in some kind of aircraft accident, and there's a theory that the death was suspicious, that people think the aircraft was nobbled. They did some damage to the aircraft so that it crashed. And the idea is that he was nobbled by the then government because he was very popular. He had a big following, and that was some kind of threat to the leadership at that time. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click the like button. It helps more people find out about what we do. And also, of course, use the video in class, share it with your colleagues, and we hope to see you again in the future. Do leave some comments about how you might use this language, or other maybe conspiracies where somebody was nobbled, and we'll see you again for the next video.